Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll walk you through all the features and advantages of playing the ranked game mode. First and most importantly, you need to be level 7 to enter the ranked game. Also, to enter ranked game mode, there's a rating limit you must meet, which ranges from 768 to 4550. This means that if your rating is below 768 or exceeds 4550, you won't be able to enter the ranked game mode. Normal game mode and ranked game mode are very different. In normal game mode, there are fewer enemies, making it more beginner-friendly, but you'll also get less loot and lower rarity items. Here's a clip of normal game mode. On the other hand, ranked game mode is more difficult due to stronger enemies and daunt more skilled player, but this also means you'll receive more loot and higher rarity items. Here's a clip of ranked game mode. Those are the main differences between normal and ranked mode. Next, let's take a look at the different variants of mobs. First is the white variant. The white variant is the weakest mob and is commonly found in normal games. Next is the red variant. The red variant has high health and high damage, and it is commonly found in ranked games. Last is the spiked variant. Spiked variants are the toughest and strongest among all the variants, and they are commonly found in the Abyss. As mentioned, you can only enter the Abyss in ranked games. The Abyss portal spawns when the Scarlet Spore reaches stage 3-6. It spawns 9 Abyss portals, meaning up to 9 players can enter the Abyss. Once your team enters the Abyss and the indicator says, "Waiting for other hunters," it means there are still players on the first map. Once the countdown starts, it means that all the players on the first map have either escaped or also entered the Abyss. Going to the Abyss is dangerous, but you can find plenty of valuable loot. You can also find the Pain Warden in the middle of the map, called the Sanctum Main Chamber. The Pain Warden is the only mob that drops the Mercy of Diana, a rare and highly valuable treasure, making going to the Abyss worth the risk. You now know a lot about ranked games, but did you know that solo rank and team rank also have key differences? Solo rank has fewer bosses that spawn. Here there are only 5 bosses in the map. Here there are 6 bosses. In Team Rank, Burier spawns in the Throne Hall. In solo rank, it is replaced by a red variant spearman. In solo rank, fewer mobs spawn in each location. In Team Rank, there are more enemies. In Team Rank, there are Shadow Specters. In solo rank, Shadow Specters are replaced by Ghost Knights. In solo rank, some royal chests are replaced by carved chests, resulting in fewer loot drops. In summary, solo rank features fewer enemies, limited loot, and different mob replacements, while team rank offers more enemies, the presence of shadow specters, and increased loot opportunities. Lastly, here's a tip on how you can climb up your rank. Exploring and looting chests are essential for ranking up from bronze to platinum. Defeating monsters and bosses with your team also grants bonus rank points. In all ranks, kills and assists are the most important for ranking up. Don't forget about extraction. While it may not give many points, failing to extract will result in point deductions, negating your kills and assists. With these essential tips, I hope they help you climb the ranks and claim your rank rewards. Especially the rewards waiting for you when you reach Legend rank. Reaching Legend 4 will reward you with a bundle that contains a random mystic treasure. Upon reaching Legend 1, you'll receive a bundle that contains a mystic weapon of your choice. You can also climb and aim for the leaderboard rankings. I hope this video helps you on your adventures. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more tips and guides. Good luck, and see you in the next one.